Yo guys, what is up? I'll be showing you a project I've been working on, which is an import-export tool for MongoDB. The front end is in React.js and then the back end is in Node.js. So we have our MongoDB database over here. This is the back end, the API, and then this is the front end, our application. So basically this web app can import data from Excel files into MongoDB, and you can also export existing data in MongoDB as an Excel file, which I'll be showing you right now. So first type in your Mongo URI, which is this for me, and then your collection name, what you'd like to call your collection. Financial data, actually I'll call it important financial data, and then choose your Excel file. Now you can press upload, give it a sec, and boom, data uploaded successfully. Now we can go to our database, refresh, and as you can see we've got a collection name called important financial data, which is what we named it over here. Now if we go onto it, you'll see it has all of the data from our Excel file, but in our MongoDB collection now. And as you can see, we can check if it's correct by looking at the data over here. Sales USD 90924. Okay, let's see, USD 90924. Same over here, and then it's got the other dates as well for July, August, and all that kind of stuff, as you can see. We can click next and we'll get more data. But now let's say we want to export data. So how would we go about doing that? Let's say we want to export employee data instead of important financial data. So all you have to do is type the collection name, which is employee data. Employee data. Make sure you've got the correct MongoDB URI in, which should be fine because we just imported data from the same database. And then if that's all fine, you can simply click export to Excel. Give it a sec, and boom, as you can see, employee data.xlsx. That is going to be the data from our collection over here, and we can check that now. So yeah, this is what the data looks like exported into an Excel file. As you can see, this is the MongoDB ID, this is the employee ID, full name, job title, department, and then we can check it from here as well. Full name, job title, quality engineer. The job title is quality engineer, Dominic Clark. And then you can go through the entire data set if you want. But yeah, that is basically what my application does. In the future, it would be interesting to integrate different NoSQL databases to make it more accessible to different services. But yeah, that's something for the future. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and share. Thank you.